Retiring at 60? That dream just died. And by 2030, you'll belong to one of 3 retirement classes. The question is, which one? Back then, you worked 40 years, got a pension, retired with a gold watch. Now, you grind for decades and still ask, will I ever stop working? The rules have changed. Your 401k isn't enough. Social Security might not last. And inflation is stealing your savings in silence. So what are the new rules? And why are people falling into one of 3 very different futures? Class 1, the survivors. They'll never retire. They'll drive Uber at 70, stack shelves at 75. Not by choice, by necessity. Savings, gone. Medical bills, mounting. This is the new poverty line. Class 2, the strugglers. They'll retire, barely. Living off scraps of Social Security, downsizing homes, skipping vacations, and watching every penny. Class 3, the strategists. These are the people who knew the system was broken and acted early. They bought income-producing assets. They learned skills the market rewards. They turned $100 into $1,000, then into freedom. You don't need to be rich, but you do need to be awake. Because no one is coming to save your retirement. The government won't. Wall Street won't. But you still have time. Smash the like button if you refuse to be a survivor. Comment, retire rich, if you're claiming Class 3, and subscribe. Because we're giving you the tools to escape the broken retirement system, one smart move at a time.